Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're asked to solve this simple math problem. Okay, now solution, the first thing we do is they gave us that x raised to power 1 over 2 then plus 2x is equal to 6. Now don't forget that the square root of x is the same thing as x raised to power 1 over 2. So instead of writing this, let me write it as the square root of x plus 2x is equal to 6. Please don't forget I have a full video on any topic in physics, chemistry, and maths. It's on my playlist. Just go straight to the playlist. You will see any topic at all you are looking for in physics, chemistry, and maths. Now, let us take this one to this side before we square both sides. Okay? So I will have that the square root of x is equal to what? 6 minus 2x. Okay? Now, let us square both sides. If we square both sides, if we square both sides, I'm going to be having the square root of x all squared is equal to what? 6 minus 2x all squared. Now square takes care of square root, so I'm going to have that x is remaining here is equal to, now this thing is the same thing as saying 6 minus 2x multiplied by another 6 minus 2x. Okay, if I open the bracket, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times minus 2x will give you minus 12x. Minus 2x times 6 will give you another minus 12x. Minus times minus will give you plus. 2 times 2 will give you 4. Then x times x will give you x squared. So finally, I'm going to have that this is 36 minus 24x, then plus 4x squared. Okay. Now, instead of doing this like this, we use the shortcut that said square the first one. You have 6 squared, which is 36, right? Okay. Multiply the first one and the second one, you have minus 12x. Double it, you have minus 24x. Okay. Then square the last one, you're going to have plus 4x squared. You see, it's the same thing. So if you can say it, you can do it. Just say square the first one, multiply the first one and the second one, double it, square the last one. Okay. So now let me bring this one to this side. First of all, I have 4x squared minus 24x. This one cross again, I'm going to have minus x, then plus 36 is equal to 0. So now this is now 4x squared minus 25x plus 36 is equal to what? 0. So now let us solve it using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula says that from here my a is equal to 4, okay, my b is equal to minus 25, and then my c will be equal to what? 26. And I have that x is equal to, the formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of, sorry, please don't forget I have a full video on any topic at all you are looking for in maths, physics, and chemistry. I have the full video. So square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything over what? 2a. So if you substitute, you are going to have that x is equal to minus into minus 25. Okay, then you now have plus or minus the square root of minus 25 all squared minus 4 into 4 then into 26. Okay, then everything over what? 2 into 4. Okay, so let us do that. Having this, we are going to have that our x is equal to minus minus will give us 25, then plus or minus the square root of 25 squared. 25 squared will give us 625. So I'm having 625 minus, then I have 4 times 4 times 26, which will give us 416. 416. 416. Okay, then everything over 8. So therefore I'm having that x is equal to what? 25 plus or minus the square root of minus 625. I'm going to have square root of what? 209, then everything over 8. So if you separate it now, you are going to be having that x is equal to what? 25 plus the square root of 209, okay, all over 8, or x is equal to 25 minus the square root of 209 all over 8. So that is that for that. You see, it's very simple. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May the peace of the Lord be with you. You see, it's a very simple something. So that is that for that. Thank you. Bye bye. Please don't forget that I have a full video on any topic at all you are looking for in maths, physics, and chemistry. Bye bye.